Hello everyone. Happy New Year's, happy 2022. This is going to be the first video that I have uploaded after the New Year's. So it's very exciting. I hope you guys had a brilliant New Year. In Delhi there is a yellow curfew going on. A lot of people are getting the new variant, but thankfully, touch wood, there's been less casualties as the last time, as compared to like the last time. I didn't really record anything throughout the New Year's because I don't know, I was not really feeling that amazing. I was feeling kind of sad and gloomy because it's so cold. And so if you don't feel like celebrating, it's okay to not celebrate. I personally think so. And so today I have to actually try this new product out. I was really excited about it. Let me show it to you. So this is the Garnier Fructus new hair mask. I really love to try new like hair care products because, as you guys know, I love to recommend like the ones that I like. So this is one of the things that I saw everywhere, and surprisingly this has no silicons and no parabens, which we will get to know. I will do a Komal tries on Instagram, and I'll let me know if you guys would like to see me do a video here on YouTube. So today Dave is not there in the house, and I don't know if it happens to you, but it happens to me a lot. When Dave is not there, I can concentrate better because I think my brain is just like work. But when Dave is here, I can't concentrate. I keep on thinking, does he need something? Is he okay? Are vampires trying to eat? It's really weird. Am I the only one that does that? I don't know. I finished the space. That's how much I recorded before in 2021. So I'm gonna be trying to put that in this video rather than recording like new things, because I feel like I was talking to you guys throughout in those videos and I really want to post them. So let's travel back in time to 2021. I don't know what exactly gave me food poisoning. It felt like, actually I do know what gave me food poisoning. So they had gone outside, I think on a Monday, and I asked him to get me, the restaurant that he was eating at had really great food. So I ordered a litti chokha and he got that for me at home, and I ate it. And I ate it, I think, sham ko. And then at night, I just couldn't go to sleep. My stomach was acting up. I felt like I was going to throw up and I was going to go to the bathroom at the same time, which is a great feeling. I've had, the last time I had food poisoning, I think it was in 2016 around November at my friend's wedding. And it was way more horrible at that time as compared to this time. But I had to go to an event like the next day and I couldn't go, which was a real bummer. I really wanted to go to that event. I had paid for every single thing, was really excited, and I just couldn't go. I couldn't wake up and just, yeah, it wasn't possible. And yesterday, I did my whole makeup and I recorded a video, and then I felt so tired. I just went to sleep with my makeup on, and look at this. All of my mascara is there. Aloo paratha for myself, and I put some butter. I generally just take it as it is. You guys want to see? It smells really good. I actually finally cracked a really great recipe for aloo ka paratha. If you guys want me to do another Komal Cooks video, please do let me know. I completely missed doing it. I'm actually working on uploading the Momo one today, which is gonna be great. But yeah, this is the aloo ka paratha. It's really yummy. I actually found out a hack for how exactly to make aloo paratha, like perfectly and like crispily and light. I'm not too sure if anybody else has thought of that hack yet. But yeah, this is what we're eating, and I got some cold coffee with me. Sadly, our protein is finished, so we are going to be drinking it without any protein today. So definitely let me know which protein you would want me to review, and try to make it like a protein that nobody else really reviews, or like my protein or something that everybody loves. I would love to do that. I've actually had my protein, whey protein, before, and it is pretty okay. Like it's a pretty good tasting protein, but it's a whey protein. It's not a plant protein. And should I show you how exactly we packed today? I'll show you. Today we have very less to pack. I think we only have like 2 or 3 things to pack, which is very very less. That's why I'm gonna be doing it. I look so bad, but I really want you guys to see how life be sometimes. Hi guys, I just did my makeup. I was recording reels content, and I just realized I haven't had lunch. See, that's the power of aloo paratha in the morning. Okay, so we're done with our 3 tiny dabbas. We're gonna leave it. The guy's gonna come and collect it. Until then, let us work. I have like a full face of makeup on, and I was just making reels about how you can use oils on your face. So I just use the oil and then I put my makeup on top. It kind of looks hella nice. It looks so glowy. I really like it. I think I'm gonna go to the gym earlier because I have to go with my sister to the market, and she's gonna get her haircut and other things. So I hope I'll be able to vlog. I really want to show you how I work out. I know I won't be able to because I get really awkward if there's like other people around. I don't really think other people are gonna be around. I think I'm gonna just have some, I don't know what to eat. Should I just have I'll have a tiny bit to eat so that I can go to the gym earlier. I just want to tell you guys this one thing that I do that I've noticed really saves a lot of time for me. Since Dave and I don't have a cook, either he cooks or I cook, and early in the morning I don't think either of us, why is it not in focus, either of us can't really cook early in the morning. So what I do is once a week I make a lot of parathas and then I just freeze them so we can have it the next week if we don't have time. I actually make it, I half roast it. Let me show you. So I cooked these many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 7 of these are roasted. As you guys can see, it's also a tiny bit wet, so it's also broken, but that's okay, we'll cook it later on. And I just put it in a bag and I put it inside the freezer so it freezes completely, and then whenever we need one I just take one out, take a little bit of ghee and just like roast it. Remove my makeup for this vlog also. I did it on this side. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but all of my mascara has come off. Like here it's still there, here it's not there. So this side of my face I've already done. I just take a little bit of this oil. When I say a little bit, you can slather on more if you have a lot of makeup on. I don't really use crazy amounts of makeup, but my mascara is always like too much. And did I do a live also of this? I don't know. Before this, I never really actually used just wipes, but I always used to remove my makeup with, I don't know if you guys remember, but initially when I used to do videos, I used to use olive oil to remove my makeup, and then I would use besan to like remove the oil off of my face. And I had been doing that for so long, before the whole double cleansing was a thing, because it was just basic knowledge, I think, from olden days, that if you have makeup on your face, the only thing that's going to break down that makeup is oil or cream. So you can either see, it just comes right off. You don't really have to mush it around or anything. So what I was saying was double cleansing was such like a normal thing. It wasn't like in vogue or in trend or anything. It was just, you use the oil or the cream to break down the makeup, and then you just take a wipe like this and you wipe it away, and it leaves your skin nicely moisturized, and doesn't really like strip your face of all the oils, but all the makeup comes off. And then after that you can just use your moisturizer or anything. And I thought that everybody used to do that, and I think I did a video back in like 2013 or something, and I was doing that. And then I just noticed that it is now the double cleansing has become such a big thing. I think because of K-beauty, I just take like a, what is this called? Man, I have such bad like brain fogs. It's called, I swear to God, I can't remember what it's called. Microfiber towel. You can just take any microfiber towel, basically anything soft, and I like to remove it around my eyes as well, because you know when you start getting boogers because your makeup remover went in your eye. And then I was thinking about it, I was like, oh my God, we had been double cleansing for such a long time, and then now suddenly everybody and their marketing budgets are like, double cleansing, here's products for double cleanse. It's just basic sense to double cleanse, you know. If you have really dry skin and you want to cleanse before, you use the oil again, and then you can use the rosehip oil. I only use these two right now, apart from a couple of the products that we're working on, so I have to test them out. I can't show you guys right now because then it's no fun when it actually comes out. So I'm going to use the KOQAL rosehip oil. This is also like a great oil. I've already used it on this side of my face. You guys can see it's like glowy, and this side is not really glowy. So I use more now because it's winter. Generally, I would just do 4 drops the whole face. Right now, I do a lot of drops. And you just apply this oil. Now, for some people, this might not be full cleansing because you have to wash your face. For me, it is. It doesn't cause me pimples or anything. So I was like thinking about it, is skincare really just the same thing that we use over and over again, or is it actually a new invention? Because I really think that the older way of doing things, just being consistent with the same products, makes way more sense as compared to like trying out new all the time. Like I feel your skincare, you should ideally follow it at least for 3 to 4 months. But then sometimes it really feels like all of the stuff that we've been doing for so long, does it just make sense for you to keep on doing that, or like try new things? Let me know what you guys think about it, because double cleansing has existed for a very long time. It was just common sense to do double cleansing. But definitely let me know what you guys think about it. Do you double cleanse? It's like something new that you've got to know, or it's just you just knew that you have to double cleanse. Like me, I knew it. I just didn't know which oil to use or which like balm to use. Guys, oh my God, I ordered a couple of things from Amazon and they just came in, and one of those things is a knife sharpener. I used to be trying a new protein as well. I'm really excited. After the last box finish, what I showed you guys, I ended up purchasing this one. I had it yesterday at night and I was kind of concerned because this is cafe mocha, so I thought this has coffee in it, but then I searched on the back and there's no coffee in it. I think it's just like flavoring. So this box is like so big, like look at it's like as big as my face. So we're going to be trying this today. This, unlike the other one, is a whey protein, and so I'm kind of excited, kind of not really as big as a chef's knife. It looks like this. I only have 3 knives in this house because I didn't really want to have like crazy amounts of knives, because then you don't really use it. Quite nice, but at the same time it's gotten blunt really quickly, so I'm just gonna use this, and if this works out, then I'll be excited. Yep, that's this. Yep. Let's see. It's hella blunt. Tape was thick before. This is such a great angle, na?
Look at my
Such an amazing angle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
But I can't really
Also,
use the other trap.
Nike, please pay me money. Look.
Yes. Oh my god, guys, I have so many meetings lined up, one after the other today. I'm wearing this really nice rich person looking sweater, and it's super comfortable. I have my video light set up. I realized that's like the best way I can do, you know, these videos. I mean video calls. And that's about it. I'm gonna go now, I think. Gotta have some coffee.